Do you know how late you are?
Look, I got here as soon as I could, okay?
As soon as you could? My son is in horrible condition. His life is on the line. You don't know what that feels like, okay? So easy for you to say you're sorry.
Look, I understand. I really am sorry. But right now, let me help your son, please. Okay?
Doctor, how's my son?
Everything went great and your son's doing just fine, but I'm really sorry, sir. I'm gonna have to be on my way.
At first she shows up late. Then she can't even stick around and give me the details? It's so inconsiderate.
I'm sorry, sir. I know that you're frustrated, but please understand that the reason she was late is because she was coming from her son's funeral. He passed away recently, and instead of being there to bury her son, she was here, saving yours.
Imagine being rude to someone and then later finding out that they just lost a loved one. Imagine the guilt you would feel of knowing you could have helped this person in a time of need, but chose not to. Every day we have interactions with people who are going through some kind of a challenge, and every day we have an opportunity to help someone. We should treat others the way we would want to be treated, because one of these days, we may find ourselves in some situation that requires the understanding and kindness of a total stranger. So be kind to others. Be the ray of light during their darkness. Be the rainbow during their storm. Offer your hand to those in need. Be the kind of person you wish you could have had if you were in their position. Because each person is fighting their own battle, and you never really know what someone is going through.